So here velocity, it is same as the speed. So velocity is not, it is defined in terms of, so velocity is equal to displacement divided by time taken. So it is d divided by t. And velocity also we are defining the SI unit of velocity is also, that is displacement. You know, in the previously we know displacement unit is meter and time unit is also second. So that is, what is the velocity? Then it will be meter per second. SI unit of velocity is meter per second or ms to the power minus 1. Only the change here, it is here velocity is depending upon the displacement, means displacement, it depends upon the direction, in which direction that object has been traveled. Based on that we are defining about the displacement. Same thing, if the displacement is depending upon the direction, means here the velocity also depending upon the direction, in which direction this the object has been traveled. Okay, in the answer you will be showing the both things, that is how much it is the path or the how much displacement traveled and in which direction does the object has been traveled. Both we are defining in terms of the velocity. Next, there will be a question of same thing. Previously we have done what is the difference between distance and displacement. Same thing here, there will be a question of differentiate between speed as well as the velocity. What is the difference between speed and velocity? Speed, it is the distance by time taken. Speed is nothing but velocity is displacement by time taken. Here it does not depend on direction. It depend upon direction. Okay, this is how we can able to differentiate between the speed as well as velocity. Okay, there is another one problem which is there in your example. Let us solve that. So the question is, an object is moving in a circular path of radius 7 meter to travel from A position to B position along the circumference. It takes 2 seconds. What is its average speed? Same thing like previously what we have discussed. So from A to B position, instead of traveling like this, that person has traveled in a circumference, that is in a circular path he has traveled with the radius. So radius is given, so radius is this one, this is 0, that is 7 meter is the radius. To travel from A position to B position along a circumference, it takes 2 seconds. So to travel this one, it takes 2 seconds. What is its average speed? So we have to find the average speed of this object. So first, radius is given 7 meter, time is given 2 seconds. So average speed is nothing but, what is the formula for the average speed? It is the total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance by total time has been taken. So here how much the total distance a person has traveled, that we are finding in the circumference, isn't it? Previously we know that circumference divided by total time. So what is this circumference? Here you know it is half of the circle, isn't it? So half of the circle means 1 by 2 into 2 pi r divided by total time taken. So 1 by 2, 2 pi r, I can write it as 2 will get cancelled. It becomes pi r divided by t. Pi value it is 22 divided by 7. R is 7 meter divided by time is 2 seconds. So 7 and 7 will cancel. So it becomes 22 divided by 2. 22 divided by 2 is nothing but it is 11 meter per second. This is the unit. Average speed is how much? 11 meter per second. If the question is what is the velocity? Okay. The next question if they have asked is what is the velocity of that object? So velocity is nothing but, if they have not given, if the question is like that, means take the same thing. So I'll take this one. So this is the 0 position, B position, this is the A position. 2 seconds it has traveled. So what is the velocity means velocity is displacement by time taken. So displacement means shortest path. Instead of going here, the person can travel in this path, isn't it? He can travel from AB. But we know AB position we don't know, but we know OB position, that is 7 meter it has traveled. So AB means that is a radius is 7 meter. So then diameter equal to 2 times of radius. So 2 times of radius is nothing but diameter is 2 into 7 meters. So D is equal to 14 meters. So this is the displacement. So how much the displacement has traveled, has been occurred from A to B position. So now it is easy to find velocity. So velocity is nothing but it is the displacement by time taken. So displacement, it is 14 meter divided by time. How much time it has taken? Time is 2. So 14 by 2 means 7 meter per second. So this is the velocity of an object. They have not given the question. If the question is there, then it is called the velocity is nothing but 7 meter per second. Okay, and also you have to mention 7 meter per second from and travel from direction or direction from A to B. You have to, after writing this, you have to write direction from A to B, because velocity we are defining it as the, it depends upon the direction. So in which direction it is moving? It is moving from direction A to the direction B. So this is about briefly about the speed as well as velocity. So based on this, I have given some of the questions and some of the problems in the worksheet. Try to solve it. If any doubts is there, let us discuss in an interaction section. Next, we will go with the next concept. We will discuss about the acceleration in the next class. Okay, children. Thank you.